In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the main call to action on your LinkedIn profile from the connect button to the follow button. I'm Luke Sievers, and I create videos about growing your business on LinkedIn. So subscribe below so you don't miss any LinkedIn marketing tips in the future. To get the follow button to appear on your LinkedIn profile instead of the default connect button, we just have to change a few quick settings. It's actually really easy to do if you know where to look, but unfortunately it's not that easy to find. Now, adding the follow button to your profile will simply make this the default call to action. People will still be able to connect with you under the More tab. But I can tell you firsthand that you will start to get more people following you instead of sending connection requests as a result of this. So what we need to do is click on your profile photo and select Settings and Privacy. And on mobile, you'll just tap on Settings. Now visit the Visibility tab and scroll all the way down to the option at the bottom that says Followers. First, you'll want to make sure that it's set so everyone on LinkedIn is able to follow you, even if they're not in your network. Then, under the section that says Make Follow Primary, we're going to toggle this to Yes. And it's as simple as that. Now, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to see this change applied on your profile because it's not going to show you what second and third connections see. But what you will start to notice is that you'll get more people following you instead of sending connection requests from now on. Now, for more LinkedIn marketing tips, you'll want to check out one of these videos on screen next. Also, subscribe below to support the channel, and feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. Just let me know that you saw this video. Thanks, and I'll catch you next time.